which is question number 61. Let's read it. The melting and boiling points of alkali metals are low due to. Student, for this question we need to know that in case of alkali metals, weak metallic bonding exists due to the presence of single valence electron. As a result, their melting and boiling points are low. So the correct reason is weak metallic bonding. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 62. Let's read it. Product of hydrolysis of Na2O2 and KO2 respectively are. Student, I'm writing the reaction. Na2O2 on reaction with H2O forms 2NaOH and H2O2. Also, KO2 on reaction with H2O forms KOH and H2O2 and O2. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 63. Let's read it. Select the incorrect statement among the following. Alkali metals are normally kept in kerosene oil. This is the correct statement, as we all know that alkali metals have high reactivity and due to which these are kept in kerosene oil. Moving to next, lithium has most negative E0 value among alkali metals. This is also a correct statement. Moving to next, alkali metal hydrates are ionic solids with high melting point. This is also a correct statement. Moving to the last statement, alkali metals react slowly with halogens to form predominantly covalent halides. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as alkali metals reacts vigorously with halogens to form predominantly ionic halides. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 64. Let's read it. Thermally least stable carbonate among the following is. Student, we all know that down the group, the thermal stability of alkaline earth metal carbonates increases. As a result, I'm writing the order of stability. Most stable is barium carbonate, followed by strontium carbonate, followed by calcium carbonate, and the least stable is magnesium carbonate. So the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 65. Let's read it. Correct order of solubility of alkaline earth metal hydroxides is. Student, we all know that with increase in lattice energy, the solubility decreases. So I'm writing the correct order of solubility here. Most soluble is barium hydroxide, followed by strontium hydroxide, followed by calcium hydroxide, and then we have magnesium hydroxide, and then we have beryllium hydroxide. That means the correct order is represented in option number 2. Moving to the next question, students,